Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use AI color prompts to create stunning AI artwork. If you are not utilizing color prompts in your AI artwork, you are missing out on a powerful artistic tool. Colors are an essential component of any visual artwork and are key to setting the mood of your image. In this video, we will explore how AI understands color and the best practices for prompting the colors you want. You can create vibrant landscapes or stunning portraits. Let us dive in and discover how to level up your AI artwork with the right color prompts. But before we get started, if you are interested in the latest AI tools and want to learn how to use them effectively, you have come to the right place. This channel is dedicated to providing updates and user-friendly videos. Please consider subscribing to support us. Now, let us start. AI image generators currently don't understand hex or RGB codes. Graphic designers use these codes to target exact color use. For example, number sign 800080 is purple, and number sign 87CEFA is sky blue. However, AI image generators are natural language tools, so we need to prompt for colors by name. When it comes to prompting colors in AI, start with the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But don't limit yourself to just the basics. There are hundreds of different colors that AI image generators recognize. You can get specific by using the right color labels instead of just blue. Prompt for royal blue, cyan, and cerulean. Also, we often name colors often the physical characteristics of objects. For instance, an orange is the color of an orange fruit, and lavender is the color of a lavender plant. If you want the color and not the object, simply add a few words to your prompt. For instance, a lavender-colored duck ensures you get the color, not the background plant. You can also modify colors by asking for lighter or darker shades. But there are many ways to modify colors beyond just using the terms light and dark. You can ask for vivid, deep, neon, saturated, muted, or shiny colors. These modifiers change the hue and intensity, which can significantly impact the mood and feel of your image. If one color doesn't do it for you, try asking for a mix, blend, or swirl of colors. The possibilities are endless, and you can get incredibly creative with your color request. Beyond basic color labels, we have numerous words to describe color. You can prompt for hue, tint, shade, or pigments. A range of color can be called a spectrum or a palette. You can ask for monochrome, duotone, tritone, or quadtone. These words have specific meanings and can dramatically affect the look of your image. Combining colors is where artists dive into color theory and the color wheel. For example, complementary colors like blue and yellow create strong contrast. Analogous colors like blue and purple share common properties and create a visually cohesive look. You can even request split complementary color schemes for a balanced and visually interesting design. Colors play a significant role in setting the mood of your images. If you need color suggestions for a specific mood, don't hesitate to ask the AI for a happy color palette or a melancholy color palette. The AI will give you some color suggestions, and you can build your design from there. Colors go a long way in setting the mood of your AI artwork. If you want color suggestions for a specific mood, just ask the AI whether it is a happy color palette or a melancholy one. The AI can provide you with color suggestions to get you started. So, let your creativity shine and don't be afraid to experiment with color prompts. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Do you think these AI color prompts are useful? Feel free to share your thoughts and unique experiences in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.